If you select multiple items, and the next button will show you that you can select them in SolidWorks, even though they are 3 different marked items. So we have to wait for the selection, and it'll tell us which components we've selected. Oh, no, it's already done it. That was quick. So there, it's picked up this component, that component, and I'm sure 64 is somewhere around there as well. You can also isolate components using the same process. So if we've got them selected, you select the isolate tool, you can see that the 3 plates are there. Exit the isolate,